Improving English speaking and listening skills involves consistent practice and exposure. Here are some effective strategies. 1. Practice speaking regularly conversation partners. Find a language exchange partner or join English speaking group to practice conversation. Self-talk. Practice speaking to yourself in English, narrating your day or explaining your thoughts. Shadowing. Listen to native speakers through podcasts, movies, etc. and try to imitate their speech including intonation and rhythm. Listen actively podcasts and audiobooks. Listen to English podcasts or audiobooks on topic of interest to immerse yourself in the language. Watch movies, TV shows. Watch English movies or shows with subtitles. Then rewatch them without subtitles to improve comprehension. News and radio. Tune into English news channel or radio station to get accustomed to different accents and speeds of speaking. 3. Build vocabulary, daily vocabulary. Learn and use new words daily. Try to use them in sentence to retain them better. Contextual learning. Learn vocabulary in context by reading articles, books, or watching videos. 4. Focus on pronunciation phonetic practice. Learn the sounds of English phonetics and practice them, especially those that are challenging. Use online tools or apps like Forvo or Google. Translate to hear and practice the pronunciation of words. 5. Engage in English media music. Listen to English songs focusing on the lyrics to improve both listening and pronunciation. Social media. Follow English speaking content creators on social media platforms to stay engaged with the language daily. 6. Take formal lessons online courses. Enroll in online courses that focus on speaking and listening, such as those offered by platforms like Coursera or Udemy. Join speaking clubs, participate in speaking clubs, or attend language workshops. 7. Practice consistency, daily practice. Dedicate time each day to speaking and listening practice, even if it is just for 15-30 minutes. Set goals. Set specific, achievable goals like improving a particular aspect of your pronunciation or understanding different accents. 8. Seek feedback language partners or tutors. Regularly seek feedback on your speaking from native speakers or qualified tutors. Record your speaking practice and listen to it to identify areas for improvement. 9. Immerse yourself travel. If possible, spend time in an English speaking environment. Live in English. Try to make English a part of your daily life, such as by thinking in English, reading English signs, and using English in your hobbies. 10. Be patient and persistent, accept mistakes. Understand that making mistakes is a part of learning. Don't be afraid to speak. Stay motivated. Keep track of your progress and celebrate small victories to stay motivated. By consistently applying these strategies, you will notice a gradual improvement in both your speaking and listening abilities in English.